Have you heard about NFTs? They're these cool digital things that can be anything from awesome art to rare gaming stuff. They've become super popular lately, and guess what? There's this new place called the BSC NFT Marketplace, and it's a big deal in the world of NFTs. The launch of this BSC NFT Marketplace is a sign that NFTs are growing up, becoming more user-friendly for everyone. It's going to shake things up in the NFT world for sure. We'd love for you to come along with me on this journey as we dig into what this BSC NFT Marketplace means for the future of NFTs. It's gonna be fascinating, we promise. Welcome to the Cryptoholics Corner, your hub for all things crypto. Join us as we dive into the world of cryptocurrencies, uncovering insights, sharing news, and demystifying the complexities of this exciting digital frontier. Stay tuned for enlightening episodes, and remember, fellow cryptonauts, the crypto universe is vast, and together, we'll navigate its depths. The exciting realm of Binance Smart Chain, or BSC, and its brand new NFT marketplace hit the scene on September 6, 2023. Now you might be wondering, what's all the buzz about NFTs and why is BSC getting into the game? Well, buckle up, because we're about to take you on a journey through this fascinating development in the world of blockchain and decentralized finance. First things first, what in the world are NFTs? NFT stands for non-fungible token. In simpler terms, it's a digital certificate of ownership for something unique. Think of it like a digital deed for a one-of-a-kind piece of digital content. This content can be anything from breathtaking digital art to rare collectible items in your favorite video game. The beauty of NFTs is that they're stored on a blockchain, which makes them tamper-proof and transparent. When you own an NFT, you have a digital record that proves you own the original and not a copy. It's like owning the Mona Lisa of the digital world, complete with a certificate of authenticity. Now let's shift our focus to Binance Smart Chain. BSC has made quite a name for itself in the world of decentralized finance, or DeFi for short. But what exactly is DeFi? Well, it's like traditional finance but without all the middlemen. Instead of banks and financial institutions, smart contracts and blockchains like BSC handle transactions, loans, and all sorts of financial activities. DeFi has exploded in popularity because it gives people more control over their money. Plus, it often offers higher returns on investments than traditional banking. BSC has become a bustling hub for all things DeFi, with projects ranging from decentralized exchanges to lending platforms and now an NFT marketplace. Now, why is the launch of the BSC NFT Marketplace such a big deal? Well, it's all about the blockchain it's built on, the Binance Smart Chain. It's like the cool new neighborhood where all the financial innovation is happening in the crypto world, and now they're opening up shop for NFTs. So what can you do in this marketplace? Quite a bit, actually. You can create, sell, and trade NFTs. This means if you're an artist, a musician, or just someone with a cool digital collectible, you can put it up for sale. You can also browse through the marketplace and filter NFTs by category, price, and other criteria. Looking for that specific digital painting of a cat playing the piano, you might just find it here. One cool feature is the ability to bid on NFTs. It's like an auction but digital. If there's a hot NFT you've got your eye on, you can place a bid, and if you're the highest bidder when the clock runs out, it's yours. It adds a layer of excitement to the whole NFT experience. Now here's something that sets BSC apart: the ability to buy NFTs with regular old fiat currency. Yes, you read that right. You don't have to convert your dollars, euros, or yen into some obscure cryptocurrency just to get in on the NFT action. This could make NFTs more accessible to a wider audience. And of course, we can't forget about security. The BSC NFT Marketplace ensures that your digital treasures are stored in a secure wallet. Think of it like a high-tech digital safe deposit box. Your NFTs are safe and sound. So, the launch of the BSC NFT Marketplace is a big deal because it brings the world of NFTs to a blockchain that's already buzzing with activity. It's like opening a new art gallery in a trendy part of town. You can expect a lot of foot traffic and exciting new creations to discover. Whether you're an artist looking to showcase your work, a collector hunting for unique digital gems, or just someone curious about this NFT craze, the BSC NFT Marketplace is definitely worth keeping an eye on. It's another step in the ever-evolving world of digital ownership and expression. Now let's talk about money, the transaction fees. If you've ever tried to buy or sell an NFT on Ethereum, you might have felt a bit of a wallet pinch due to the hefty transaction fees. BSC, on the other hand, offers a breath of fresh air in this regard. It's like buying your favorite snack at a discount store instead of an upscale boutique. The transaction fees on BSC are significantly lower than those on Ethereum. So, you get to keep more of your hard-earned crypto when you trade NFTs. That is a win. Speed, my friends, is of the essence in the digital world. Imagine you find that one-of-a-kind digital artwork you absolutely must have. On BSC, you won't have to wait around twiddling your thumbs for the transaction to go through. BSC processes transactions at lightning speed compared to Ethereum. It's like getting instant gratification when you make a purchase online. But wait, there's more. BSC boasts a substantial user base. Think of it as a bustling marketplace with lots of potential buyers and sellers. More users means more options, more diversity, and more chances to find that perfect NFT or to sell your creations to eager buyers. It's like having a big, lively auction house right at your fingertips. The BSC NFT Marketplace, as mentioned, is still pretty young. Picture it like a startup that's just taken its first steps. But boy, does it have potential. Let's break it down. Number 1. Features galore. This marketplace isn't just about selling digital art. It offers a bunch of cool features. Think of it like a Swiss Army knife for NFTs. You can mint, buy, sell, and even trade NFTs easily. Plus, you get to explore all sorts of digital collectibles, from art to virtual real estate and even music. Number 2. Wallet-friendly fees. One of the standout features of BSC is its low transaction fees. Imagine you're at a garage sale and the seller doesn't charge you an arm and a leg for that vintage comic book you just had to have. That's what low transaction fees feel like. This makes it a more accessible option for artists and collectors who don't want to break the bank on fees alone. Number 3. People power. The BSC NFT Marketplace already has a pretty hefty user base. It's like going to a party where you already know a bunch of people. This means there's a lot of potential for growth and interaction. Number 4. Future potential. Now let's talk about the crystal ball moment. The future of the BSC NFT Marketplace seems quite promising. It's like investing in a small tech startup that you believe will be the next big thing. First, its cost-effective nature might attract more artists, especially newcomers looking for a space to showcase their work without the hefty price tags. Second, the strong Binance backing means it's got some major muscle behind it. Think of it like having a mentor who's a seasoned pro in the NFT game, guiding you every step of the way. Third, as more artists and collectors flock to BSC, it could create a buzz, turning it into a go-to place for NFTs. You know, like that cool coffee shop everyone's suddenly talking about. But remember, just like any startup, there are hurdles to overcome. Security and trust issues, competition from the Ethereum NFT marketplace, and changes in the crypto landscape can all influence its journey. So the future of the BSC NFT marketplace? Well, it's looking pretty bright, like a rising star in the NFT galaxy. But like any adventure, it's not without its twists and turns. It's definitely a space to watch and see how it evolves in the ever-changing world of blockchain and digital collectibles. The launch of the BSC NFT Marketplace is a significant development for the NFT market. It offers a variety of features, low transaction fees, and a large user base. It's likely to become a major player in the NFT market in the future. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of cryptocurrencies here at the Cryptoholics Corner. We hope you've gained valuable insights and knowledge that will empower you in your crypto endeavors. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated with the latest trends, news, and tips. Until next time, fellow cryptonauts, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep prospering in the fascinating realm of cryptocurrencies.